Hi, I'm Jerry Romano. I'm going to share with you my favorite recipes that are easy to prepare and taste great. Today I'm going to make homemade pretzels. They're fantastic and I think you're going to love them. Pretzels are easy to make and have only a few ingredients. Here they are. 1 cup of warm water, 1½ teaspoons of active dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. If you've never baked anything with yeast, this is the recipe to try. It's simple, fast, and tasty. Come on, let's get started. All right, let's make some pretzels. 1 cup of warm water, 1½ teaspoons of active dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it up, and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to put this hook on the blender and we're going to knead it for 5 minutes. Well, it's come together pretty nicely. All right, let's get it out of the bowl. Let's get it off that hook. There it is. It's coming off. And we're going to roll it into a ball. Coat it with a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Now cover the pretzel dough and let it rise for 45 minutes. While the pretzel dough is rising, set the oven to 425 degrees. Before we put the pretzels in the oven, we're going to boil them in 2 quarts of water and 1/2 cup of baking soda. All right, let's get this going. Okay, it's 45 minutes later and that pretzel dough is looking pretty good. Let's get it out of the bowl, out on the countertop, and we're going to cut it up into 8 pieces. Now take the dough and roll it into a 1-inch rope. It'll be about 1 foot long. Take the 2 ends, wrap them around twice, flip it over, and you've got a pretzel shape. Now let's put them in the boiling water for about 15 seconds. Take them out and let them drain on the towel for a minute. Put them on a parchment-lined baking sheet and brush them with a little bit of the cooking water so the salt will stick to them. Now generously apply some coarse salt. This is a gray sea salt from the south of France. It's delicious. These will cook pretty fast. It only takes about 10 to 12 minutes in the oven. And here we are 10 minutes later and they're golden. Look at those. Don't those look nice? I can't wait to dig into these. Oh boy, this homemade pretzel looks really good. Let's have a taste. I'm gonna dip it in a little bit of mustard. Fresh out of the oven? How can you beat that? I hope you make this one. It's really delicious. Remember, all it takes to make delicious food is great ingredients, a little bit of technique, and lots of passion. Thanks for joining me today.